Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new on here, my name is Buki and I welcome you all specially. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. So in my previous video about how to lock gift bags, some people complained that they were not able to unlock the locked bag. Kindly take your time to watch till the end of this video. You learn to unlock easily. So I got a present from a friend of mine. I got cookies from her. So I thought of, okay, let me just use this bag to explain how to lock and unlock the gift bag again. So first thing first, you pick the edge of the other handle there, the black part. You know there is always something holding it. You push it in into the other end of the bag, as you can see in the video. Then you do the same to the other one. You pass it through the hole on the other side. So once you're done with that, you pull it together to make it firm. To make it firm, pull it carefully to make it firm. Then you do the same thing to the other side of the handle. And Tara, you lock the bag. You lock the bag. That's it. Yeah. So that's it. Beautiful, right? Cool. So now how to unlock it? Carefully watch this. It won't even take time. Just watch carefully. So you the same handle, the black part, just pull it out carefully from the hole and do the same on the others. As you can see, it didn't even take me time, just um few seconds. I hope you love it. Thank you for watching and bye bye.